Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunky Automation. The video today is I will demonstrate the way how to display YOLO video detections object in the web web page by Flash over HTTPS or port. Okay, I will show you the video and show you how to do this, and at the end of videos I will upload on the code in my YouTube channel. You can, and my GitHub, you can download it and learn from it. Example, the video I opened here, I tried to display the USB camera, submit. If I display USB cameras, it could display everything from my cameras. Okay. Okay. And secondly, I will try to this. Uh, there are three buttons from here, option from here. You select video streams and submit, and you will see the video stream. And if you don't like want to choose another video, you can place video stream number 2 and submit it. You can see the object detection here, but in the future you can develop this video as object detections and countings or tracking everything. You can extend the projects depend on what you need. So you see the video is a little more. I need to increase the size of the screen a little bit, 800 and I to 1000, and I like to make it more. Okay, and continue. Okay, now the screen is more bigger because I resize it to 1000 pixels of width. So this is the object detection over YOLO8, and if I play this video stream from cameras, or I can play video stream another. Okay, now I show you the code. YOLO detections is running. So in the first of my course is import a Flask render template. This one for folders of HTML files, readings. This one HTML. Okay, and then CV2 for draw something on the pictures times for delay something of the video. Like, yeah, I delay video a little bit. If YOLO detection, I remove it and let's set it 0. There's one thing that when we use object detection, the video frame will be slower than playing video because the frames should be extracted and then go to uh, YOLO for detection object and draw it. So it's caused that the frame delays. So in application root index, and it return to index HTML files. Yeah, when you open the browsers, you type localhost and port 5000, and you can see the main index, and in index is will start videos for a while. I try to type a localness, see what happened. Okay, localhost is doesn't work, but if you type 127, this is localhost, the IP address is starting. Okay, we continue. uh, Here the function for generate frame, it means that you extract the video into iframes, and from iframes you will use model YOLO for predict image from image, because let me see the computer running in GPU. It's 100% of CPUs. The CPU is running is too much, right? 100% CPU and 40% of GPU. So I try to see how to reduce the load of CPUs. From here I will put image and device. I put okay, I use CUDA graphics GPUs number 0, and then I try to start it again and see GPU running and recess. Oh, so GPU is running 8%, but CPU 90%. So it's take too much load from CPUs. So I will compare with running uh, by HTML get and post, and CPU is 86% and 8% of CPUs. If I run two client, and what happened? Two client is CPU got over 100%. Wow, it affects so much your computer, so it cannot use in production. If we use this kind of project, this is for simulation only. So if I stop one client and CPU reduce at 87. Okay, we go into code again. This is for learning only. It cannot use for production because it use too much resources from your computers. I will compare with the socket I/O CPU when during running. Okay, let's start from here. Generated frames, and then model for your low result, predict frames and image result, drawings, uh, object like draw cars is draw object detection. So, then from here we don't care. Here I reside image with 1000 pixel, and then it's an image write. It's for writing image. This is normally I don't use this, but in case you want to watch the video later, you can write image. Okay, after that is will return the frames. Here is like a return. Okay, and next for posting video, like when you send the like here and submit, and you will get the post method and then you get the data values from here, value 0. So when you click submit, you send the post method with the values, and from here you get a value. If value 4, play video number traffic number 4, and if value 3 is play traffic 1. And another thing is like if you send 2 is play it video from your webcam. And if you want to send 1, it will release on HTML file and then clear everything. Let me try this. You just send close streams and it will stop the stream, and then CPU reduce 8%. See, I want to start USB light stream again. If you start USB light streams, its CPU going up to 78%. So it's cost so much resources from your computers. Cannot use it for production. This kind of programs. Okay, application video feed. This one for feed the video to HTML. So return is response. You get a return value from generator functions from here. Flask. So it you kept release. Stop the video from. Let me try this. Submit, and then CPU going down to 8%. So it means that the stop the video feed into HTML files. So actually this if during video upload to HTML by post methods, it will start predicts the image from here so that CPU increase. If I stop it, the load is reduced. So let me see. Okay, so I try to start it again. Play video number 2, submit, and check the CPU 80%. So 7% is used for prediction. Okay, the demonstration for the object detection by Yolov8 and Flask over web and by using post method HTML. So already complete from here. I will upload on everything from my video to you, and you can check and learn from it. But my experience, you check the CPU running during using this kind of methods is not very good, so it cannot use in the production. So I recommend that you can take it for learning only, for understanding how to upload the video over Flash and Python program. Okay, thank you very much for your watching.